Good morning, class. Today we are going to access to our institutional mail. To do that, you will have to go on uh, Google and go on Gmail. When you have Gmail, it is going to ask you to start or to log in into your account. Most of the accounts are the first letter of the first name, dot, and the last name, even though the accounts will be given printed. We're going to be using one of a student's account, okay? So we are including the uh, email. Once you access to your account, it is going to give you a welcome, so you accept that. If you have a time to read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy of Google, well, that will be interesting. But we are going to have that. We go on the mail, okay, and when you access the mail, it is giving you the welcome. You go next. You can choose one way in which you want to have the view of your mail. You can change it from this part, and once you have the one that you like, so you just go aceptar. This is the inbox of your mail. There are many mails here that are coming from the platform Fidias. Once you have this mail, you could access Fidias using the mail. Okay. Normally, Google is going to send you a security alert because you have been accessing from a different computer. Okay, in this case, this is the first time that we're accessing this account, so it is informing that we are accessing from a computer, and it wants us to determine if it is a safe or not. Okay. Once you are in this mail, you are going to go on the applications button of Google. The applications button of Google, it's going to give you different options to work on. Some of the applications that we're going to be using at a certain moment as the classroom. The drive, it is going to be used also, as well as documents for this moment. What I need you to do is to go on documentos. It is going to give you a guided visit. You can click on the guided visit and it is going to show you how to use the Google document, okay? But that's something that you're going to do individually. Here you have different templates that you can use, okay, like the notebook, like writing a review of a book. It gives you different options of templates to do your works much better. We are going to use a white or in blank document. When we open a blank document, it is kind of the same than a Word document. The difference is that this is online. Here you will have all the tools that you may need and you may require to align on the left, to center on the right, or to justify the text, to space between the lines, if you need to use a number list, or if you need to use icons for a list. You have all the tabs here to do and to use it as if it is a Word document. The first thing that you are going to do is double click in Documentos sin Título, and there you are going to give a title that is article and your name. and you click anywhere. As you can see here, it says guardando, and after that it says todos los cambios se han guardado en Drive. Once you have given it the name of the document with the title of the activity that you have been assigned and your name, and if it is possible, the group that you are on, example, that one. So you can start typing here. As you can see, when you are typing, the document says here guardando, and after that it says todos los cambios se han guardado in Drive. The advantage with this is that you don't need to be saving, or if we run out of electricity, everything that you have done is going to be saved in the Drive. Okay, when you finish doing your work, you are going to share the document. Here there is a blue button that says compartir or share. In this moment, as it has a lock close, it says it's private, meaning that the only person that can access to it is you. After that, you click on that, you have some options. The first option is obtain a link to share. So when you click in there, you are going to have this link that you can copy, okay, and you can paste in Phidias to turn in the assignment. Something else you need to verify is that here it says cualquier usuario de Colegio Filadelfia puede ver o publicar comentarios. As you are going to send these to be revised, so you need to make sure that the link says that I can publish comments. It means that if I find something that needs to be corrected or that you need to pay attention to, so I can do it. Always, when you are sharing a document, you need to make sure that it says puede publicar comentarios. Once you copy the link, so you take it to your Phidias and paste it there in the assignment. In another video, I will show you how to turn in assignments in Phidias. But this is all for today. Thank you.